Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about the recent Nobel Prize winner in the literature. So Abdul Razak Gurnah, a chronicler of migrant experience, wins 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature. So let's get started. So we all know basics about the Nobel Prize, and this year for 2021 the Nobel Prize in the Literature was awarded to Abdul Razak Gurnah. Let's know more about him. He's a Tanzanian novelist, and he's famous for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of the effects of colonial and the fate of refugee in gulf between cultures and continents. He is born in 1948. The writer grew up in Zanzibar after the Iceland liberated itself from British Empire in 1963. A violent aspiring lead to widespread persecution of Arab descent monarchies. As a member of targeted ethical group, 18-year-old Gurnah was forced to seek refuge in England, and writes Alison fled for The Guardian. While in the exile abroad, Gurnah wrote a cope with a trauma of a dislocation. The thing that motivated the vile experience of writing for me was this idea of losing your place in the world. He tells to New York Times, that is in his one of the interview. Now though Gurnah's first language, English, becomes his literary tool, noted Swedish Academy, which awarded the annual prize in the statement in 1987, he was published 10 novels and numerous short stories. Many of them follow the lives of refugees as they reckon with loss, displacement and lasting trauma caused by European colonization of African continent. A professor eminent of English and post-colonial studies at the University of Kent, Gurnah has also published the literary criticism on Indian British novelist Salman Rushdie and Kenyan novelist academic Ngugi Tingwa among them. So Gurnah debuted his novel, that is Memory of Departure, related the travels of young men on the East Africa coast who came of age under oppressive conditions of regime. So in Paradise, which was shortlisted for 1994 Booker Prize and is described in the statement at his breakthrough work. Gurnah writes from perspective of Yusuf, a 12-year-old boy who is forced into indigent in East Africa in years leading up to the World War I. Now Gurnah wins is hailed by some as a sign of progress for Swedish Academy, which was historically favored white, male and European writers. He is the first black writer to win the Nobel Prize in Literature since Toni Morrison in 1993, reports Andrew Lipscomb in NRP. Meanwhile, the last black African writer to win the award was Wole Soyinka in 1986. So Gurnah was unexpected honorary Sheffield writer, as his novels are largely unknown outside of the UK and aren't particularly well known inside of it. On the Twitter, the journalist Jane Friedman pointed out that Gurnah has sold just 300 print copies in the US till date. So as a Sheffield observed in the annual centenary on the award, the prize was awarded to Europeans 14 times this century. This despite the Nobel Committee's was vocal emphasis on greater diversity and its quasi-public apologies for the prize's well-earned reputation of journalism. Now coming to the concluding part, this Swedish Academy itself has been mired in the contrary in recent year. In 2017, an Academy member's husband, Jean-Claude Arnault, was accused of serial sexual assault and leaking the names of prize winners to bookies. The resulting scandal delayed the announcement of 2018 prize winner by the full year and lead indirectly to the recognition of multiple academy members. So the academy has also faced criticism for its selection of Austrian author Peter Handke as 2019 literature awardee. Handke has previously expressed support for a late Serbian director and publicly denied the 1995 event. Earlier in this last days, Academy announced various awards that is in physics, chemistry and medicine. The winner of the Nobel Prize will be announced on has been announced recently. So in the concluding part, this is the information about our 2021's Nobel Literature winner, and we'll coming up with the more information of other winners as well, that is Nobel Prize in Physics, Nobel Prize in Chemistry, Nobel Prize for Peace and Nobel Prize for Medicine. So stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay happy, stay safe. Thank you so much. Have a good time.